Honey is a remarkable substance with a rich history and numerous benefits. Here's an overview of its importance and some fascinating facts, including its health benefits. Importance of honey. Nutritional value. Honey is a natural sweetener rich in carbohydrates, primarily fructose and glucose. It also contains small amounts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Culinary uses. Honey is widely used in cooking and baking. Its unique flavor enhances a variety of dishes, from desserts to savory meals. It is also used as a natural sweetener in beverages. Medicinal uses. Honey has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties that make it valuable for treating various ailments. Economic importance. Beekeeping and honey production are significant economic activities in many regions. Honey is not only sold as a food product, but also used in cosmetics and skincare products. Interesting facts about honey. Longevity. Honey is one of the few foods that can last indefinitely without spoiling. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are still edible. Composition. Honey contains around 200 substances, including amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. Its composition can vary depending on the flowers visited by the bees. Bee effort. To produce 1 pound of honey, bees must visit approximately 2 million flowers and fly over 55,000 miles. A single bee produces only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. Varieties. There are over 300 different types of honey in the United States alone, each with a distinct flavor and color, depending on the floral source. Antibacterial properties. Honey contains hydrogen peroxide and low pH levels, which contribute to its antibacterial properties. This makes it effective in wound healing and infection prevention. Health benefits of honey. Honey is not just a sweet treat. It offers numerous health benefits. From soothing sore throats to providing a natural energy boost, honey is a versatile and beneficial addition to your diet. Cough suppressant. Honey is a natural remedy for soothing sore throats and reducing coughs. Studies have shown it can be as effective as some over-the-counter cough medicines. Wound healing. Honey is used in wound care for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help promote healing and prevent infection in minor cuts and burns. Digestive health. Honey can aid in digestion and help alleviate gastrointestinal issues like ulcers and gastroenteritis. Its prebiotic properties also support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Antioxidant boost. Rich in antioxidants, honey can help reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Energy source. The natural sugars in honey provide a quick energy boost, making it an excellent choice for athletes and those needing a rapid source of energy. Skincare. Honey is used in various skincare products for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. It can help treat acne, soothe dry skin, and promote a healthy complexion. Conclusion. Honey is a versatile and valuable substance with a multitude of uses and benefits. Its importance spans nutritional, medicinal, and economic realms, making it a staple in households and industries worldwide. From its fascinating production process to its extensive health benefits, honey truly is a remarkable natural product.